Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the steamclient64.dll is missing error on Steam. The first method is to reinstall Steam. This is the most effective fix because it restores all important Steam files, including the missing DLL. First, open Windows Settings and go to Apps. Find Steam in the list and uninstall it. After that, go to the official Steam website and download the latest version of Steam. Install it again and sign in with your account. If you want to keep your games, make sure your Steam Apps folder is not deleted before uninstalling. The second method is to verify the integrity of game files. If the error only happens with one game, the problem is likely inside that game. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the game that is showing the error and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check all files and download anything missing or broken. Wait for the process to finish, then try launching the game again. Next, try the System File Checker tool in Windows. This helps repair missing or damaged system files that can affect Steam. Open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Then type sfc/scano and press Enter. Wait until the scan is complete and let Windows fix any issues it finds. After completing these steps, restart your computer and open Steam again. In most cases, one of these solutions will fix the error. Thanks for watching.